Introduction. Hello and welcome to this video on Introduction to Graphic Design or Video Editing Software. If you're someone who is interested in the world of design, then you've come to the right place. In this video, we are going to be discussing some of the most popular graphic design and video editing software available in the market. Graphic design software. The first type of software we will be discussing is graphic design software. Graphic design software is used to create and manipulate graphics, illustrations, and images. Some of the most popular graphic design software available in the market include Adobe Photoshop. This software is the industry standard when it comes to graphic design. It is used by professionals all over the world to create high-quality images, edit photographs, and design graphics. Adobe Illustrator. This software is mainly used to create vector-based graphics. It is often used for creating logos, icons, and illustrations. CorelDRAW. This software is another popular option for graphic designers. It offers a wide range of features for creating vector-based graphics and is often used for designing logos, brochures, and marketing materials. Video editing software. The second type of software we will be discussing is video editing software. Video editing software is used to edit and manipulate videos. Some of the most popular video editing software available in the market include Adobe Premiere Pro. This software is used by professionals all over the world for video editing. It offers a wide range of features and tools for editing videos, adding special effects, and creating high-quality productions. Final Cut Pro. This software is a popular option for Mac users. It is often used for editing videos, adding special effects, and creating high-quality productions. DaVinci Resolve. This software is a free option for video editing. It offers a wide range of features and tools for editing videos, adding special effects, and creating high-quality productions. Conclusion. That's it for this video on Introduction to Graphic Design or Video Editing Software. Graphic design and video editing are both exciting fields that offer a lot of potential for creativity and growth. Remember, there are a lot of different software options available in the market, so it's important to research and find the one that best fits your needs. Thanks for watching.